Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at FUV Archimoto. So Archimoto has some little vehicles, electric vehicles for getting around. They're pretty cool. All right. Um, they may not be competitive with Tesla per se, but they are definitely cool little vehicles. They look like a over-exaggerated golf cart in some aspects. They do go pretty fast. They have good acceleration. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it there. So I think they're good. They are still working on getting some of their climate control features worked out. Right now, all they have is an open air version. So that's one of the detractors that I really don't like. It's great if you're in an environment where the weather is pretty consistent and nice all the time, like maybe San Diego or San Francisco. But living in a desert environment where it's super hot a lot of the time, or it's cold, if you live in northern climates like Canada, probably not the ideal electric vehicle you're going to want to get because it's not going to work out. So until they enclose their cabin and add climate control, probably not the best bet for extreme weather conditions and those cities, which are most in the U.S. It's very niche, however you want to say it. But I do own some stock. I really like the company. That said, okay, I like the way they're doing production, building little production centers. But right here we're seeing green indicators all across the board. So if I didn't have a bunch of this stock already, I'd probably be selling puts at this point. I may sell a couple more puts. I'm not really sure because it's got a pretty hard ceiling here to break above, and then about $20. It's hard to move above that for sure. But I think in the long run, this is a great company. It's definitely going to have its own little niche, and I think it's going to carve it out well because they're inexpensive vehicles. They're electric. I think there's a lot of great use cases for it. Daily commuter potentially is one of those use cases, but more in destination. Let's just say it's a destination thing. So they're really cool vehicles and all, but we'll have to see how they develop the enclosure and the climate control stuff for the inside of the cabin and a few other amenities they probably want to add. So I still am a believer in the company after seeing this thing in person and getting to take a drive in it. Let me tell you, it's a cool little car. I guess you can call it a car. Reminds me more of a souped up go-kart. It's really awesome. Goes really fast, accelerates awesomely. Like I said before, I still believe in the company, but it does need some improvements. So overall, if you guys don't have any of this stock yet and you're looking to get into it, this is a good entry point. Not financial advice. This is for informational and entertainment purposes only. But I might sell some puts anyway. I really like the company. So that said, that's enough. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, see what happens to all these EV stocks and SPACs and all the other stuff that I'm covering too. Crypto, wealth building techniques, dividend investing, growth investing. I'm all over the place. So it's pretty cool. Alright? Be sure to subscribe and thanks for watching.